Hi guys, welcome to our today's video. I hope you all are fine. Today we'll make a simple diary which can be used for solving a task of school, college and university. Dot capitalize method is used to capitalizing the given data. Now we are making a function. Now we are taking user opinion. We're taking user opinion as an integer. Now we are writing if-else statement. Here we are using if statement. Oh, sorry, we need to cut it. Here we are taking the name of the subject by using a variable name sub. By using same method, we are taking the data about the subject. Now we are opening a txt file. We need to create the Python file and the text file in the same folder. .write method is used to write something in a file. Now we are writing some code to see the diary. Sorry, we need to make it correct. For data in file means the whole things in the file. Here we are printing everything by using a variable named data. Here we are using time.sleep method to skip some time. This line I am writing is just for increasing the look of the software. You can write it or not. Let's run our code. Now we are giving the necessary data to our software. We need to import time module. See what's happened this time. Let's say that the name of the subject is coding. Oof, shit. We have to write name, Name. Let's say that the name of the subject is math. Let's enhance the look of our software. Here we are writing an infinitive loop, means while true. Let's run our code. Let's say subject is science. Now you will see our diary. I think there is some problem. Let's do some edit. We are using .close method to close our file. It's a very good practice. Now we are making a variable to take the required day and time from the user. You say just practice, that's why I'm not giving a high focus on my grammar. I'm just writing as my wish. Oof, shit, so much error. Let's run our code again. We are now writing the date. Shit, we exited the program. Let's run it again. Let's save something more. We also saved something in the subject of ICT. Guys, you can see that the Python file and the txt file is open, but I am not editing or writing anything in the txt file. Guys, now we are running our program. Let's see the history. Oh guys, our software is running. Thank you for watching.